Are these just rumours that you're starting over at Wedbush, Dan, or do you have real reason to believe this asset is, one, up for sale, and two, Apple would be an interested buyer?
Yeah, I mean, in our opinion, it's a matter of when, not if. I mean, I looked at Apple in terms of what they're looking at for sports content. It's the perfect marriage. And right now, the strategic review at Disney, I think it was clear even from the conference call. I mean, ESPN, I believe, is something that could be on the block, and Apple is the natural fit for live sports content. That's the golden goose. At a minimum, it could be a strategic partnership. We believe this is a start of what could really be a very strong partnership at a minimum between Apple and Disney.
Dan, the next logical question, price. What would the price be?
From an M&A, and of course, Apple historically has not done big M&A, 50 to 60 billion would probably be the initial price tag in that range. I mean, when you think about it, that's, for a company that has 200 billion in cash and generates another 150 billion, that's extremely affordable, right? And it's really about the asset, because I think MLS has been the eye-opener for Apple. Pac-12, they tried to do that deal, it fell apart. I really, truly believe Cupertino recognizes this is the window. This is the asset. I view it as the golden asset, and I think it would add massively to the sum of the parts if they did this.
Dan, at what point does there become another bubble in content? And I'm talking about sports content. If you have the behemoths in the tech industry seeing incredible value and bidding this up.
Look, Lisa, it's a scarcity value, and I think that's the issue right now. Just a lack of core assets. And who's going to get in? It's Apple. It's Amazon. It's potentially Netflix. I think Facebook and others. You're going to see more and more tech going after some of these assets because that's really the scarcity. And I think that's really what's going to drive eyeballs, which is why I think for Apple, the clock struck midnight. They recognize now's the time to do this. And now it comes down to, Iger, Cook, and ultimately what happens with the Disney strategic review.